Last time we had investments that grew. Okay, we were saving money up or figuring out how to save money. This time we're looking at an investment where we're paying something down. Okay, whether it's a car loan, borrowing money, or let's say you want to pay out like $100 a month for the next 5 years. How much money do you need to put in the bank to have a regular payment? You still have a regular payment working away there. So let's do some examples here. And all it's going to change is we're going to be looking for PV. We're going to be using PV instead of FV. The FV for all these questions are going to be 0 because we want our loans to be 0 at the end. So let's say you buy a MacBook for $2,200. The store gives you an interest rate of 8% compounded monthly for the next 3 years. What's your monthly payment to pay for the computer? All right, so let's go through and just pull out information. So if we go through here, MacBook for $2,200. So that's our amount, our previous value here. And it could be considered negative since we owe it, $2,200. 8% interest, so our 8's going to go in here. Compounded monthly. Okay, compounding monthly for the next 3 years. I'm going to put the 3 over here. What's your monthly payment? Okay, so monthly payment's also 12. And we're going to times 3 years times 12, so we know we're going to make 36 payments. 36. So that leaves us with this. Because at the end of the 3 years, we want to have 0 left in our that we owe. So that's why that is 0. So if I look here, this is 36, 8%, negative 2,200, 0, 0, and 12 and 12. Then we can figure out our payment. So we need to pay $68.94 a month. $68.94 a month that we need to pay off our little loan here. Okay. So our next one here is going to be, I'm going to let you work it out here. So Mr. O is going to pay for your textbooks in post-secondary school. Each year textbooks cost $750. How much will he need to invest now at a 7% interest rate compounded annually to pay for your textbooks? So you're going to go to school for 4 years. So I'll pause the video here and see if you can fill in the information that you know. Okay, next piece of, so let's plug everything in and let me know. Pay for your textbooks, $750 per year. So our payment is going to be $750. How much will you need to invest now at 7% interest? So 7% interest compounded annually. So compounding is going to be 1, it's 1 time per year. And we're looking for 4 years of school. Okay, so 4 years times 1, these are always going to be equal. I'm paying it once a year, equals 4. So we know this year is going to be 4. So we're looking for how much money do I need to invest now? Okay, so we're looking for our previous value. How much do I need to invest now so that in 4 years I have no money left over and you've got $750 each year for textbooks? So let's go through here. 4, 7, I'll make that 0, 750, and 1 and 1. Then we're going to look for our previous value, so $2,540. $2,540. That's what I need to invest now to make sure that you get $750 each year. Okay. So here's the next one. I'll let you figure this out and go from there. Okay, so Rob bought a bicycle for $1,500. He arranged to make payment at the store at the end of every month for 1 year. The store is charging 11% interest compounded monthly. How much is each payment? So ask how much each payment is. We know we're solving for this. Okay. How much we owe is $1,500. So that's how much we owe here. We could write negative $1,500 because we owe that money. He's going to pay the store every month. So it's going to be 12 here, and his 11% interest rate compounded monthly. So it's another 12 here. Now for this n number, we take our time, which is 1 year, and times by how many times per year, which is 12. So that's going to equal 12 as well. And we're looking for this number right here. So, where am I looking at here? So 12 there, 11, negative 1,500, 0, 0, 12, and 12. So let's figure our payment. $132.57. So we would need to pay $132.57 in total. Not in total, each month to pay for our bike. Okay, last one. Before she left college, Sam's parents set up an annuity, so a regular payment, to help her pay for living expenses over the next 5 years. The annuity will pay $200 a month and earn 7.75% interest compounded monthly. How much did her parents put in the annuity? Okay, so I'll pause it here and I'll let you figure this out. So away we go. So we have a $200 a month payment. So this is going to be $200. 5 years, let's just keep that in mind here. So a month, so we know that's 12. These are both going to be the same right now. 7.575% compounded monthly, that's where that 12 comes from. I can change this to 7.75. Now, we need to know this n value. So we know it's 5 years times 12 times a year equals 60. So now we're looking for the previous value, right? How much do they need to put in the bank now so they can pay $20 or $200 out each time? So we have 60, 7.75, 200, and 12 and 12. So our answer is $9,922. $9,922 will pay for $200 a year, $200 a month. Now you could calculate how much that saves them. Instead of sending them $200 every month, right? We could figure out, okay, how much did they actually pay out? So there's 60 total months times 200. That equals $12,000. So if you think about it, 9,922, they made $2,078. $2,078 during that investment. Okay, so I've highlighted questions for you to do Tuesday's practice. Here's the questions you can kind of follow up with here. Okay.